Life becomes more meaningful when you realize the simple fact that you will never get the same moments twice. The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions to always be satisfied with your life, be happy in every moment of life. Don't rush the process, allow yourself to grow at your own pace. Stop comparing your life to what others people are doing. Go where you feel most alive. It's not about winning the race always. Sometimes it's all about making it to the finishing line. About all you can do in life is be who you are. Some people will love you for you. Most will love you for what you can do for them, and some won't like you at all. Be grateful for every second of every day that you get to spend with the people you love. Life is precious. The beautiful thing about life is that you can always change, grow, and get better. You aren't defined by your past, you aren't your mistakes. Travel and tell no one. Live a true love story and tell no one. Live happily and tell no one. People ruin beautiful things. 6 months of focus and hard work can put you 5 years ahead in life. Do not underestimate that power of consisting and desire. There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. If your path demands you to walk through hell, walk as if you own the place. Don't wait for things to get better. Life will always be complicated. Learn to be happy right now. Otherwise, you will run out of time. God gives every bird its food, but this does not throw it into its nest. Not everyone will understand your journey. That's okay. You are here to live. You live not to make everyone understand. You don't need a reason for doing everything in your life. Do it because you want to, because it's fun, because it makes you happy. Life fails to be perfect, but never fails to be beautiful. When your parents are not rich but still afraid to give you a beautiful life, appreciate their surprise. If you can remain calm in a stressful situation, you win. If you don't like your story, you have the power to rewrite it. Always remember the days you paid for the things you have now. Incredible change, happiness in your life behind you Decide to take control of what you do have power ever instead of crying control over what you don't. Either you run the day or the day runs you. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have much. Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life. Be strong when you are weak, brave when you are shaken, and humble when you are victorious. When life is sweet, say thank you and celebrate, and when life is better, say thank you and grow. Don't listen to society because 98 of society is average and poor. People always wanna come back into your life when they see you looking good or doing good without a T. When you accept someone you need to accept their past too. Real isn't who is with you at your celebration, real is who's standing next to you at rock bottom. It's funny how people judge others' mistakes while they also do the same thing. Life will give you actually what you need, not what you want. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. God always has something for you, a key for every problem, a light for every shadow, a relief for every sorrow, and a plan for every tomorrow. Smile, it will make you look better. Pray, it will keep you strong. Love, it will make you enjoy life. Don't pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. Thanks for watching.